Have you ever wanted to make a bird head from the bird game? Or make my bird head? You know, like, let's see. Let me show you an example. Let's see. You want to make a bird head like this? Bird head? This bird head? Well, if you want to do that, I can teach you. So, first off, if you want to make this little guy, just look at him if you want to instead not hear me talk the entire time. Now, you're going to want to get a cylinder shape. Go to swatches, scroll down until you see violet. You're going to do that, and then you're going to do the exact same length of the first part of the head. We're going to draw that. There is your first part of the head. Now you're going to go back to your shapes and get the hemisphere. Now you're going to draw it and make it the same length as the first part of the head. Now you have the top of your bird head. Now you're going to want to get the pyramid. Get a color orange. You're going to draw it like this. And then you're going to go to clone flip. And now you have the mouth. You finish the mouth. Next off, go to swatches and press white. Oh, and you're also going to want to get the sphere. And then you're going to draw eyes. And then you're going to go to clone and flip. Then you have your eyes. Now we need to get him some pupils. Now the pupils are just not going to be like this. They're not going to be like that. They're going to be like this. Like this. Make sure they're all the way in the back. Perfect. Now, if you want to make the fur, like in the hands, you know the hands? This buddy doesn't have it, but we can give our little baby bird some hands. Get sphere, go to violet, make a circle, like that long, a long circle. You're gonna shape it like that, then just make this. And then you're going to want to keep on making circle shapes so that it looks like fur. And see. Okay, now we finished our first bird hand. Just add a few more pieces of fur if you missed any spots. Now, you're gonna go to your tools and you're gonna clone it, and you're gonna get this this finger. Just select all that. And then you're gonna flip it over to the other side. And perfect. You now have your bird. You can make this all grabbable, or you cannot. I'm gonna make this an invention. Baby bird head. Then you're gonna take a photo. And now we have our bird. Adult bird, baby bird. Oh, you a cute bird. Cute bird. Anyways, I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to make a baby bird head. Like the video. Peace.